关心看世界，来关心美国。美国共和党的总统候选人川普伫当地时间15下晡的时阵，伫帕格罗夫球场所听到庆声。川普的团队表示讲，地点伫佛罗里达。川普本身是无安全上的顾虑，警方嘛将这个枪手甲制服甲掠起来，并且伫附近的这个草坡找到，敢若是枪手所来 AK 步枪甲一寡物件。FBI 表示讲，这可能是一件拍算要暗杀前总统的案件。
Something that said
两个月前，才经过鬼门关，共和党的总统候选人 Trump 即个伫咧 Florida 海鸥总园附近，碰到另外一件刺杀未遂案。
Former President Donald Trump is safe and unharmed following a protective incident shortly before 2 p.m. on Sunday at Trump International Golf Club at West Palm Beach.
当时 Trump 伫咧球场的第5、第6栋之间，现场维安的特勤探员目睭正内看到有步枪的庆功村入来，搁向球场。探员上少开4枪才来制服。一个查甫人物件等下着走，搁照树丛的烟雾来逃离现场。说落来就是附近公路顶的警匪对立。
Fortunately, we were able to locate a witness that came to us and said, "Hey, I saw the guy running out of the bushes. He jumped into a black Nissan, and I took a picture of the vehicle and the tag."
大规模的围捕嫌犯嘛是走无路，伫咧95号的州际公路导航。伊留伫咧现场的物件，除了卡棒、GoPro， 搁有一支 AK 步枪。因为枪顶管有吊架式的物件，警方认为伊有狙杀 Trump 的嫌疑。
I mean, think about it. They're stopping a car. The bolo was for a suspect who had just fired at the President of the United States with a tactical rifle. It does not get scarier than that.
Trump 无直接受到枪击案的影响，安全无疑虑。伊事后发信息向募款的金主来报平安，讲包括伊在内无人受伤。拜登嘛表示 ，Trump 无代志，互伊松一口气。Anna Harris 甲伊的副手 Waltz 嘛伫咧 X 平台讲，加在 Trump 无代志，而且强调绝对无法度忍受暴力。
Hello， 我是张新文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。